Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page ownership. So let's get started. So now here we are on our Facebook business page. So this is where you would want to go first, which is on your profile page so that you'd be able to see the manage page options right here. So to do that, you simply need to click on your profile picture, just click here on your Facebook business page. And then once you are here, click here on settings. And then from here, click here on page setup. Next is page access. And from here, you want to make sure that you add the person right here that you would want to add a or transfer the ownership of this Facebook business page. So click here on add new, click on next, and then search the name of that user right here or that person. So in my case, it would be this one. Right here. So this one. So once you have selected this user, then now you can click here so that you can toggle on, and this would allow the person to have full control, which is transferring the ownership. So click here on give access, and then from here you can go for your password. So in my case, let me just type it out. And then once you have typed your password, and as you can see, the invite would expire. That would mean that the invite to become an owner or a manager here on your Facebook page is sent to that person. So now once that person has accepted the invite, you're gonna refresh the page, and then as you can see right here, that person is now a member of your page. So all you have to do now is to remove yourself from the Facebook page. In this way, only this person will be remained, and he or she will be the owner of the Facebook page. So that is basically how easy it is, and all you have to do now is just input the password and tap on confirm, and you will be removed, and the ownership will now be changed. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.